In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write on Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're starting your blogging journey, updating your website, or simply adding new content, Squarespace offers a user-friendly interface to make your work stand out. So let's dive right into the process without further ado. First things first, let's navigate to the Squarespace website. This is where all the magic begins. Once there, you'll find the login button usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that to proceed. Squarespace offers a variety of login methods, but for ease and simplicity, we'll use the Continue with Google option. Selecting this option will prompt you to choose your Google account, so go ahead and click on the account you wish to use. After you're logged in, it's time to head over to your website. You can do this by clicking on the direct link provided here, which will take you straight to your website's dashboard. This is your control room where you can make all the important changes and updates to your site. Once you're in the dashboard, the next step is to click on Edit. This button might be located differently depending on your site's design and layout, but it's generally found as an option when you hover over specific sections of your website. After entering the editing mode, your next action is to add new content. To do this, look for the ADD block button. Squarespace blocks are essentially the building blocks of your website, allowing you to add different types of content such as text, images, buttons, and more. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll focus on adding text to your website. So, within the ADD block options, click on Text to add a new text block to your page. This will open a blank text editor box where you can start typing your content directly. If you're wanting to edit existing text, hover over the text block you wish to edit and click on the pencil icon that appears above it. This will bring you into the text editing mode where you can make your desired changes. Now it's time to let those creative juices flow. Type in your text and don't hold back. Squarespace's text editor is pretty robust, allowing for various formatting options to ensure your text looks exactly how you envision it. Whether it's blog content, a product description, or a simple welcome message, make sure it reflects your site's voice and tone. Finally, after you've inputted your text, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually found at the top or bottom of the editing section, and click on it. This will ensure all your hard work is not lost and is beautifully presented on your website. And there you have it. You've successfully added or edited text on your Squarespace website. Remember, regular content updates are key to keeping your site fresh and engaging for visitors, so don't hesitate to come back and edit whenever you have new ideas. That wraps up our quick guide on writing on Squarespace. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Don't forget to experiment with different types of content blocks to see what works best for your site. Happy editing and see you in the next tutorial.